back, back again. She's back, tell a friend. Guess who's back, 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 guess who's back.
Well, look what the stork brung. Little baby devil with the forked tongue, and it's sticking out, yeah, like a sore thumb. With a forehead that it grew horns from. Still a white jerk, pulling up in a Chrysler to the cipher with the flex perks and a Bud Light shirt. Lyrical technician, an electrician, y'all light work. And I don't gotta play pretend, it's you I make believe. And you know I'm here to stay, cause me, if I was to ever take a leave, it would be aspirin to break a fever. If I was to ask for Megan Thee Stallion, if she would collab with me, would I really have a shot at a feat? I don't know, but I'm glad to be back like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my back, bruh.
like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
Just like that and I'm back, bruh.
now back in the days of old me, right around the time I became a dope fiend, ate some codeine as a way of coping. Take the opiates, case of OE, turned me into smiley face emoji. My shit may not be age appropriate, but I will hit an 8-year-old in the face with a participation trophy.
Plus I have zero doubts that this whole world's bound to turn into some Girl Scouts. That censorship bureau's out.
So when I started this verse, it did start off lighthearted at first, but it feels like I'm targeted. Mind-boggling how my profit is skyrocketed. Look what I pocketed. Yeah, the shit is just like y'all have been, like jogging in. I've been running at full speed, and that's why I'm ahead like my noggin in. I'm the fight y'all get in when you debate who the best, but I'll sound white chalk and win. I step up to that mic, cock it then. Oh my God, attempt chicken out again.
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my back, bruh.
like
Abracadabra.
and for my last trick,
Just like that and I'm back, bruh.
break it down.
Sometimes I wonder what the old me'd say
If what?
if he could see the way shit is today.
Look at this shit, man.
He'd probably say that everything is gay.
Like happy.
What's my name? What's my name?
So how many little kids still wanna act like me? I'm a bigger prick than cacti bee, and that's why these words sting just like you were being attacked by bees in the coop, leaning back my seat. Open R. Kelly's favorite group, the black guy peas. In my Air Max 90s, white tees, walking parental advisory. My transgender cat Siamese identifies as black but acts Chinese. Like a motherfucking hacky sack, got treat the whole world cause I got it at my feet. Can I explain to you that even myself I'm a danger to? I hop on tracks like a kangaroo and say a few things that do to anger you. But fuck that, if I think that shit, I'ma say that shit. Cancel me, what? Okay, that's it. Go ahead, Paul, quit. Snake ass prick, you male cross-dresser, fake ass bitch. And I'll probably get shit for that. But you can all suck my dick. In fact, fuck them, fuck Dre, fuck Jimmy, fuck me, fuck you. Fuck my own kids, they're brats. Fuck them. They can screw off. Them and you are. You too are. Got two balls, biggest blue paws. What you thought you saw ain't what you saw. Cause you're never gonna see me caught sleeping. See the kidnapping, never did happen. Like Sherry Papini, Harry Houdini. I vanish into the thin air as I'm leaving like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my back, bruh.
like
Abracadabra.
and for my last trick,
Just like that and I'm back, bruh.
jõin otsepakist piima, tõin ketsidega tuppa liiva. teeme veel ühe teele ja teele võib imeliku koju viia. tulin su rannapeole merd mööda, nägin su Bolti kaasas venda mööda. kui teil töötab, siis piirdume keskööga või talle tjöö, nii et tekst hits end kööga. sest iga pidu saab ükskord läbi, loova olen viibuga shaggy. lasin otse su südamest läbi, tuleb peale, see pidu saab läbi.
kui sa ei räägi mul liiga, meie vahel on valged taevas, ootab meid nädal aega kainus, mis me vedame koos. ei räägi ja iga, lendan läbi ja hakkab längus, nüüd on käes meie uus algus, kus me oleme koos.
jagu väljas valge, ära taga nuta enam, sul homeboyd on õues ja sul nendega on vedanud ja nood ei jaga kedagi, sest päevi on segamini. Luige laul läbi, iga nagas suu kinni, Houdini fade fade out, üks silm zoom inni, ekraani kaugus näost tingib mingit muud pinni, näen õigesti tagurpidi nagu sass juutpinti ja kes mu voodis siruli ümberringi käin kui epliku rebased soos, tundub solid saak nagu Foxi Megan Renault ja nädal aega kainust me vedame koos.
Kui sa ei räägi mul liiga, meie vahel on valged taevas, ootab meid nädal aega kainust, mis me vedame koos. Ei räägi ja iga, lendan läbi ja hakkab längus, nüüd on käes meie uus algus, kus me oleme koos. Kui sa ei räägi mul liiga,
pidu on läbi, mis sellest ikka, ma koorin su paljaks banaani Chiquita, sihtisin pikalt ja sulle sain pihta, Legodes klotsid nüüd kokku meid liita.
Tuled on peal ja kodulaul piinab, sa minema pead, kui jägeretid viivad veel jooke, ära džinn toonik kaasa, ma täna olen ainus, kes sind ei proovid saada.
Kui sa ei räägi mul liiga, meie vahel on valged taevas, ootab meid nädal aega kainust, mis me vedame koos. Ei räägi ja iga, lendan läbi ja hakkab längus, nüüd on käes meie uus algus, kus me oleme koos. Kui sa ei räägi mul liiga, meie vahel on valged taevas, ootab meid nädal aega kainust, mis me vedame koos. Ei räägi ja iga, lendan läbi ja hakkab längus, nüüd on käes meie uus algus, kus me oleme koos. See pidu on läbi ja tee,
küll uus tuleb homme,
anna üks tunnike veel,
nagu ikka meil kombeks,
midagi head pole ees,
juba peale kella 3
anna paar tunnikest veel
ja meil uus tuleb homme.